Don't burn Daddy up.
How would I burn you up? If I hit you, Yak.
Oh, shit.
Just light it up high, high, high. Even better. Oh my gosh, look at the smoke.
I see it.
It looks like, it's like zigzaggy. Zigzaggy.
Zigzaggy. There's another one if you want to grab it real quick. Oh, didn't make it.